Hi. So, my favorite music or song is Walang Kapalit by Ray Valera. So, the most memorable and loved part of the music is the chorus. Since I was child, now I'm not ready to deep this kana yung meaning, but at young age kana I feel that love is always happy. And then I heard this. I realized when I more developed or now, I realized that love is not just a happy moment, but also a hopeless, sad, but not all. So the favorite part is the chorus. So like, at kung hindi man dumating sa akin ang panahon na ako ay mahalin mo, asahan mong hindi ako magdaramdam kahit ako ay nasasaktan. Huwag mo lang ipagkait na aking ika'y mahal. So, thank you.